When President Moon Jae-in last met his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping, the duo agreed to launch follow-up negotiations to include services and investment trade in the existing FTA. A public hearing on the matter took place in Seoul today. Kim Hyesung has the details from that event.
A public hearing on the Korea-China Free Trade Agreement.
We believe upgrading the bilateral free trade agreement to include service and investment on top of goods can help further enhance our bilateral relationship.
Trade experts, government officials, and industry interest groups gathered Friday to share their opinion on the goal and strategies for the follow-up negotiations of the two-year-old deal. China is Korea's #1 trading partner with bilateral trade amounting to $217.5 billion between January and November last year. But bilateral investment and Korea's services trade surplus with China have both decreased in recent years. China's service industry already accounts for more than half of its GDP, and its services trade is expected to hit $1 trillion by 2020, accounting for 1/10 of the world's services trade. Given the market size, experts say that lowering service industry barriers in areas like entertainment, tourism, finance, and legal services should benefit both countries. But as shown by how the THAAD dispute hurt Korean businesses last year, experts added that the negotiation should also focus on hedging risks.
It's important that the Korean government review the services agreement sector by sector and agree on systematic laws and regulations to protect Korean companies in China that suffer from unclear Chinese policies or delays in customs.
In terms of investment, experts believe both countries can cooperate in fourth industrial revolution technologies like AI and big data, and China's investment to Korea to increase. Following Friday's public hearing, the Trade Ministry will meet with service industry interest groups in Korea to come up with a negotiation strategy, then report it to the National Assembly before starting its first round of negotiations with China. Kim Hyesung, Arirang News.